Hi everyone, I'll be sharing 6 principles you should know in order to pass the CISSP exam. Firstly, you have to think like a manager. CISSP is not just about technical knowledge, it's about understanding the broader concept of security. You'll be faced with questions that borders on the legal, regulatory, and ethical issues. Secondly, practice with exam questions. You have to familiarize yourself with the format of the questions that will be coming, and you have to get comfortable with how to answer these questions. Thirdly, you have to manage your time. There'll be 250 multiple-choice questions. Fourthly, you have to focus on the weak areas while you're preparing for the exam. The fifth principle is use multiple resources to prepare for your exam. Use practice questions, you can watch YouTube videos. Lastly, stay calm and confident. Use these 6 principles, you'll be able to pass the exam.